Hello guys, my name is Shobi and this is part 2 of my life in the USA working as a rad tech. So stay with me and I hope you learn something from this. Enjoy! Today, I'm going to share with you what it took me to come here in the United States. Education, credentials, how many years experience, what are the struggles I had working here in the United States. First, the credentials. You need to have to pass your state board exam. In the first video, I shared with you that we took in our 4th year of our schooling, we took the state board exam and you have to pass that. And that was one of the credentials. In fact, the #1 credential. Next, transcript of records. So you have your World Education System. It's called WES. They evaluated my transcript of records and see if my education in the Philippines were at par with education in the United States. Next, course of outline. You have to have your course of outline evaluated also, your clinical, taken care by your registrar, and then send that to your agency. Next, you have to have the $3,000. I do not know how much is it now, so you can inquire that. You have to have 2 years experience. I really did not have that kind of experience. What I did is I volunteered, and then my clinical was accepted as an experience. So what are my struggles working here in the United States? When I came here, my first location was in Missouri State, and it was a very small hospital. It was a very good environment. It's clean. The thing with that is that the workplace, I never had experience with all those machines they were using. I was trying to figure out everything by myself rather than being trained. That's my #1 mistake. If you come here in the United States, you really need to be open to suggestions. You really need to learn. For those rad tech who want to come here in the United States, my advice to you is be prepared. In my 4th year in college, before my graduation, there was an opportunity to take the American State Board exams, and I took that opportunity. I took the risk of not earning too much money and just volunteer and work in any type of hospital.